201,872 Land Rover Series 1 vehicles were made from 1947 to 1958. 49,351 of these were 86-inch chassis 2-liter petrols made from 1954 to 1956. 6,713 of them were right-hand drive completely knocked down for export. Jolene was one of them. Manewanjang, a small town in West Bengal on the border of India and Nepal, has the highest surviving population in India of over 40 Land Rover Series 1 vehicles. The love for these vehicles has led to the development of a complete ecosystem to keep them running, with garages specializing in fabrication of body panels, parts and repairs. Completely smitten, we weren't leaving town without one. Chassis number 57661853 was dispatched to Devar's Garage and Engineering Works in Kolkata, India on 17 June 1955. Bought eventually by the president of the Land Rover Association in Manewanjang, it was used to carry people and loads on steep pony tracks to Sandakphu Peak and beyond. With the promise of it retiring to a good home, the deal was done, and the vehicle was ours. Moved to a garage in Siliguri, into the hands of experts who have worked on these vehicles for ages, stripped down to the chassis, overall of the 1997cc 4-cylinder petrol engine and the 4-speed constant mesh gearbox. Addition of original Solex carburetor and fuel lines, bulkhead patch-up and repair, repair of body panels, restoration of station wagon safari roof, restoration of brakes and Land Rover master cylinder, leaf springs reduced to original count, freewheeling hubs on both front wheels, new wiring, fuse box, ignition switch, indication lamps, dipper, choke and a working speedometer, new parking and brake lights, reupholstered seats, door handles, locks, gaiters and grommets, addition of missing parts sourced from Amsterdam, Australia and England, and the final result.